go. Go on in.
Stress in the house tonight, making rocks change all the time. Tension in the house tonight, earthquake shaking all the time. Stress in the house tonight, making rocks change all the time. Tension in the house tonight, earthquake shaking all the time. I just want to see seismograms. It's shaking.
A force that causes planes to bend, change shapes, stretch out rocks. The fault's still shaking. Look at it. Where's its focus? I got to know. Epicenter is right above. Strikes at faults, slide past.
Yo, what happens like over the tsunami destruction, washing roads like those hoses, total destruction. I'ma rise to the top like the hanging ball and the wrist fall. Hey!
Stress in the house tonight, making rocks change all the time. Tension in the house tonight, earthquake shaking all the time. Stress in the house tonight, making rocks change all the time. Tension in the house tonight, earthquake shaking all the time. I just wanna see seismograms. Every day they're shearing, making earthquakes.
Hurry up. I'm just moving really fast because of the friction and the stress. Yeah. And technology.
Making them thinner,
Compression fully out.
making them break.
They're making it.
Aftershock caps,
Trying to build it.
except for base isolated blocks.
Oh. Hey, wall, 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 hey, wall,
Earthquakes happen, it's shaking. Earthquakes happen, it's shaking.
He wakes up with two sweat. He wakes up with two sweat. He wakes up with two sweat. He wakes up with two sweat.
Hanging wall, football, make fall, shaking now. Stress in the house tonight, letting rocks change all the time. Tension in the house tonight, earthquake shaking all the time.
In the studio. What's up? Studio. You ready to make awesome video?
Yeah, sure.
Are you ready?
Yeah.